In some areas around the Fort Dodge area saw some of the most snowfall totals coming into Monday morning, around 2 inches or snow, while areas along the eastern side of the state saw anywhere from a few tenths of an inch to about an inch of snow. But if you had to be out and clear any of that off, you may have noticed it was rather light and fluffy. This was largely due to a fairly high snow-liquid ratio. And the ratio is mainly driven by the amount of available moisture and the temperature the snow develops in, which is why winter weather can be so hard to forecast, as a slight shift in that ratio can be the difference in measuring snowfall in inches versus feet. And the old rule of thumb goes here for about every 10 inches of snow will yield about 1 inch of liquid water. But as temperatures start to drop more and more, this ratio gets bigger and bigger. And in general, the lower the ratio, such as say 4-to-1 or 8-to-1, will get rather heavy, wetter snowfall, which is great for packing but is a pain to shovel. However, as the ratio gets higher and higher, that snowfall gets lighter and fluffier, such as kind of what we saw throughout Monday with that rather high liquid snow ratio. And some reports even coming in as around 25-to-1, with some reports coming in as high as 50-to-1. However, there is a limit, an upper limit at least, to how big this ratio can truly get, and it's right around that 0-degree Fahrenheit mark. This is at this point that ratio starts to fall once again, and that's largely because of a large reduction in available moisture and the size of the snow crystals themselves develop. Of course, as temperatures get closer towards zero, they continue to get bigger and bigger, or what we'd call dendritic snowflakes, which would typically resemble a snowflake that you would typically expect to see. But as those temperatures start to fall once again, the moisture starts to go away and they become a little bit more needle-like and pack in a lot higher, resulting in at least some of those smaller snow-water ratios. In studio, I'm meteorologist Garrett Hyde with Iowa's News Now.